In today's video, I will walk you through how to find journals in Xero. Start by looking at the top bar of your Xero dashboard and click on the Reporting tab. This opens a drop-down menu containing all of Xero's reporting options. From the menu, select All Reports. This will take you to the page where every available report is listed. When the All Reports page opens, you'll see a large collection of reports available within Xero. Instead of scrolling through the entire list, use the search bar to quickly find the report you need. Click in the search field and type Journal Report. As you type, Xero will filter the available reports and display the matching result. Once the journal report appears in the search results, click on it. Xero will immediately begin generating the report for you. Depending on the amount of data in your account, it may take a few moments while the report loads. After the report has finished loading, you'll see a complete list of your journal entries. These entries are displayed together in one report, making it easy to review everything that has been recorded in your account. You can scroll through the report to view the journal entries that have been created. The report displays your journal records in a detailed list, allowing you to review the information whenever you need it. If you return to this report later, you can follow the same process. Simply click Reporting, select All Reports, search for Journal Report, and open it again. Xero will generate an updated version of the report using the journal entries currently stored in your account. Whenever additional journal entries are added to Xero, the journal report will include those entries the next time you open it. This means you can continue using the same report whenever you need to review your journal records. If the report takes a few seconds to load, simply wait for Xero to finish generating it before reviewing the information on the screen. Once it's ready, you'll have access to the full list of journal entries available in your account. If this tutorial helps you, please like the video and subscribe for more Xero guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.